Welcome back. Here we are discussing another coding exercise. So it asks us to write a program that takes the amount of the purchase. Like imagine you're working in a mall that you want to sell your product, and as a salesperson you want to sell the product, or you're coding the sale system. So when you're coding the sales system, you need to keep this in mind. This is the new rule that the manager mentioned. For example, anyone that goes beyond $500 when they're purchasing our products like t-shirts, we can give them 20% of discount. However, if the amount of the purchase of our customer is lower than $500, no discount is available. So now we want to design a program that computes this amount of discount. They consider this amount of discount and give us the final price that we need to ask the customer to pay. So here we firstly initialize a double called amount. We ask the user to enter the amount that they want to purchase, for example, and we store it using cin function. Then we enter the if condition, saying that if that amount is higher than 500, which is our case, enter this condition. So then we initialize a new double called discount. The discount is calculated as amount times 20% of it. And when we calculate the discount, here we are again assigning a new number to the amount that we initially got from the customer. This is the important part. So we calculate this discount number using this formula. So the 20% of amount, okay? So far we calculated the discount, and here the amount is the value that we read from the user, and here we stored it. So we are saying that the amount that from now we are assigning a new value to the amount. We are saying that amount equals the previous amount that was read from the user minus the discount we calculated here. So we are reassigning the value of the amount after the discount. Then saying that 20% discount applied, final amount, and then we print it. And else means that if the purchase was lower than $500, for example, we print no discount applied and we show the final amount. So the final amount would be this amount. The difference is that when we go through this if condition, we reassign the value of amount. But if we don't go through this if condition, the amount stays the same amount that the customer entered initially. Let's compile the program, we will understand it better. So enter the amount. I would say 290. It says no discount applied. Final amount 290. So it first starts with this if condition. Does it pass? No, because 290 is lower than 500. Then it skips this part and goes for the else. And for the else, it says no discount applied, final amount is amount. So it prints us the amount, which is 290. However, if we have like a number larger than 500, let's say 700, it says that 20% discount applied and the final amount is 560. Let's go through the steps. So it goes to this part of the if condition. Does it pass? Yes, it passed. So it enters here. When it enters here, it starts calculating the amount of discount. So the amount of discount is based on 20% of the total amount. So the total amount here was 700. 700 times 20%. So it calculates the amount of discount, and we assign it to we assign this formula to the discount. So now we know what the discount number is. And we know the amount that the customer entered initially, which is 700. So 700 minus the discount will be the new value for the amount. So the new value, or let's say the final amount that they need to pay. So we are reassigning again in this if condition the value of amount. Then we simply just print the amount to the terminal for the customer. This is a very straightforward way of calculating discount. It has a wide range of application. As you know, in many malls or shopping centers, when there is a sale season, they just apply simply this coding to their system. So it computes the amount of discount automatically.